We'll guide you through how to find your DaVinci Resolve activation key easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Blackmagic Design official website. You'll need to log into your account, so if you haven't created one yet, make sure to sign up using the same email you used when you purchased DaVinci Resolve. Once logged in, navigate to the support section, then click on the Downloads option. Here, you should see the latest version of DaVinci Resolve you purchased. Look for the Activation Key tab or button, which is specifically available for registered users. Click on it, and you should be able to view your activation key. It's important to keep this key secure. You can either write it down or save it in a secure digital note, so you always have it handy. If you can't find it there, check your email inbox, especially the one associated with your Blackmagic account. Often, the activation key is sent to your email when you first purchase or register the product. If all else fails, you can reach out to Blackmagic Design Support for assistance, as they can help retrieve your activation key. Remember, keeping track of your activation code is crucial for reinstallations or moving the software to a different computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.